Getting ready to buy or sell a home? Do you want to help support pro-life organizations? Then you need Real Estate for Life. Get a top-notch real estate agent and support pro-life causes. Go to realestateforlife.org to learn more.
The Irish province of the Institute of Christ the King Sovereign Priest presents Lenten Thoughts. Live not by bread alone, but by every word from daily Mass this Lent. Why not help us to restore the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary in Belfast? To donate, go to this GoFundMe link. Thank you for your generosity. Thursday of the second week of Lent. All that is mine comes from God. Sit at the feet of our dear Lord and drink in his words as a draught of heavenly wisdom. Do not think of the Pharisees nor of anyone, but of Jesus and thyself. The parable of Lazarus and the rich man teaches us the vanity of all earthly goods. They simply cannot buy us happiness. All that God gives us is good in itself. They are good in as much as we use them in view of heaven. They turn into idols when we serve them instead and become too attached to them. Riches are indeed good in themselves. Just look at all the beautiful churches built for God's greater glory. Riches become evil when we use them only for our own selfish gratification. When we make good use of our riches, we thus lay up treasures in heaven, where no rust will consume them and no thieves will break in and steal. Jesus reminds us of our Christian duty of charity to alleviate the sufferings and poverty of our needy brethren. Do we deprive ourselves sometimes of some little extra pleasure, some little delicacy, some trifling piece of finery in order that we may have something to bestow in alms? Almsgiving is a real sacrifice, and it is very pleasing to God. What have you done this Lent? Our Lord resembles Lazarus more than the rich man. Yet he could, as the Lord of the universe, have surrounded himself with prosperity, affluence, and every luxury if he had so willed. Yet he chose poverty to teach us how we should be detached from the things of the world. Poverty is no disgrace under the new law. It has been dignified by Christ himself. Let me consider what I have done with what God has given me. Have I remembered that my riches were only given to me in trust? And have I, out of my abundance, been ready to assist those who need my aid to the utmost of my ability? Supposing that I have but moderate means, or that I am in actual poverty, have I still had no way in which I could show that I am a true Catholic by making some little sacrifice for the benefit, however apparently slight, of those still poorer than myself? Seeing the frightening death of the rich man, I will sing with the psalmist, "Better is a little to the just than the great riches of the wicked." Jesus, aid me by thy grace. Interested in almsgiving this Lent? Why not help to restore our church in Belfast, the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary? Help us make this former Presbyterian church worthy of the Catholic liturgy. You can donate at this GoFundMe link. May God bless you for your generosity. Like and subscribe for daily Lenten reflections. May the Immaculate Heart of Mary triumph in Ireland.